You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the full form of this condition, known generally as ADHD. So what does it stand for? What is the meaning? Attention deficit. So the AD, attention deficit, stress on the 10 of attention, the de of deficit. Attention deficit, hyperactivity, or in American English, hyperactivity, or hyperactivity in British English. Disorder. So ADHD, all in all, the pronunciation in English, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder is how to pronounce it correctly, or ADHD pronunciation, how to pronounce ADHD. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.